Bullish cost estimates for XYU organizations run from 2 cents to 3 cents by 2030. Researchers in the market think that XYU could be worth 1 cent by 2025. Dereshek's market price prediction for YO organization in 2023 is $0. XYU planning presentation. XYO Profit Organization, also known as XYU Organization, is shaping the future of information by showing the world's most memorable reality profit as a bridge between secure blockchain information and our real world. This innovation convention is meant to work on the trustworthiness and value of information. Building an information commercial center gives clients the highest quality level for any applications, websites, blocks, and innovations that depend on trust. 5 years after its launch, the project has added important features and built real-world utility. For example, online businesses use it to track their shipments at each stage using separate records. In the fall of 2021, XYU token was listed on major exchanges like Coinbase, Gate.coin, and IO. These posts had a big impact on the value of the XYU token, which went up by 30,000% last year. In this video, we'll give you a detailed price forecast for the XYU token from 2022 to 2030 based on key metrics, technical analysis, and economic situations. First, we'll talk about how the project works and what its goals are. Next, we'll talk about the role of XYU tokens in the project. Finally, we'll look at the facts and factors that affect the price of XYU tokens. This organization of parts makes it possible to know if an item is at a certain XYU coordinate at a given time with as much certainty as possible. The XYU organization also helps keep a strong financial symbol system and a good liquidity ratio. XYU diggers are encouraged to give accurate information and to know when not to give any information at all so as not to pollute the environment with wrong information. A XYU digger can open the door for a competing XYU excavator. The end client holding XYU tokens is encouraged to execute more when network liquidity is low compared to when network liquidity is high. The symbolic client gets economy-based rewards that are given by XYU excavators who may have processed the so far. XYU has changed 1.82%, and there have been 744,989 trades. XYU organization is currently ranked 357 out of all digital currencies, with a market value of $61,731,162. Our estimates of costs are based on constant XYU organization. Market information and all other information are updated live on our site. This lets us give dynamic price estimates based on how the market is moving right now. Value estimate for XYU organization. From some points of view, 2023 XYU is one of the best digital currencies to rise this year. The XYU price estimate for 2023 predicts a big rise in the last part of the year, possibly reaching $0. With other digital forms of money, too, the rise will be gradual, but there won't be any big drops. On average, the average drop is $0. The price is high, but it can be reached soon if everyone works together and things go as planned. XYU is supposed to be worth nothing at the start. XYU organization value expectation 2024 out of 2024 XYU organization. XYU cost expectation has a lot of room for growth because of the expected declarations of many new organizations and drives. We think the price of XYU will soon be more than 1 cent. Before putting down any confident trades, we should wait to see if the XYU's overall strength record comes out of the oversold zone. Taking into account the instability of the market, bets on XYU will be made with a starting exchange rate of $0. Usually, it costs 1 cent to change money. Value estimate for XYU organization 2025. If the pattern keeps going up, it could hit 1 cent, which would be good for XYU. However, if the market goes down, the goal may not be reached. Value expectation XYU organization 2026. If XYU Group does its job well, digital currency fans think that the price of one XYU coin could stay the same for the next 5 years. Based on our projections, XYU will be green in 2026, which is when it is expected to reach and beat its all-time high. In 2026, the value of a virtual cash will be 2 cents, with a starting cost of 1 cent and a typical cost of 1 cent. XYU's highest value is also 2 cents. XYU company value expectation for 2028, based on things that are supposed to happen by 2028, we think that a bullish trend will keep pushing the average price up to around 2 cents. If XYU manages to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a maximum price of 3 cents. If XYU doesn't get the help it needs by 2028, it could get a low of 2 cents. XYU's 2029 business value estimate is based on the assumption that the bullish trend from the previous year will continue. The base exchange rate has been set at 3 cents, and the annual cost is expected to be close to 3 cents in 2029. Value expectation XYU Organization 2030. By the year 2030, XYU Group will finally do better than its past ADH values and set new cost levels. The base price could be 3 cents, and the highest price could also be 3 cents. This would make the average price 3 cents. XYU Organization's vision for 2031. The cryptocurrency market is known to be very unpredictable, which is one of the many reasons why cost estimation as a service is so important. Every effort is made to predict future prices accurately, but you shouldn't take all predictions as financial advice. For example, we expect that digital money will be accepted in many places by 2031, and the highest price of XYU is expected to be 4 cents in a bull market, with an average price of 4 cents. What is the XYU Organization price today? As of right now, XYU Organization is trading at $0 and has a total market capitalization of $61,731,162. Is XYU Organization a good investment? XYU Organization was one of the most talked about coins in the crypto space last year. Because of this, it's safe to say that XYU is a good investment. How high could XYU Organization go? The average price of XYU Organization. What will XYU Organization be worth in 5 years? With the popularity of cryptocurrency and XYU Organization on the rise, the value of XYU could rise to 3 cents in the next 5 years if people keep buying it. Over the past 10 days, Bitcoin's value has increased by more than a third, prompting forecasts of a record-breaking cryptocurrency